Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful?
What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be doing a little bit different video for you guys. I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I do when I prepare for company to come over. So this is going to kind of show you the routine that I have before I have my daily clients come over or just regular friends that are popping over to hang out for a few hours. So this isn't going to be the routine I do when I have like company stay for the weekend or anything like that. It's just going to be the routine that I do before guests come over to hang out for a little while. So if you guys like this video, I would really appreciate it if you guys would give me a thumbs up. It always helps out my channel and it allows me to know whether you like the video or not. And also, if you're new and you enjoyed this video, I would really love it if you would hit the subscribe button along with the alarm button and go ahead and join my family here on YouTube, and you won't miss another video. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so some of the first things I like to do is light up the candles in my home. I really like to have the house smelling good when company is going to come over. So what I'm doing here is just lighting up a couple of candles that I got from Bath & Body Works. These are my absolute favorites. Another thing that keeps the house smelling good is always having these plug-in air fresheners in the walls. So I have one at every entry. I like to have one at the front door, and then I like to have one upstairs and the hallway right at the top of the stairs, so you kind of always have that smell when you're walking through the halls. So the next thing I like to do is get our floors cleaned. We do have a pet, and our dog, he sheds a lot, so I need to make sure that the hair is under control. So if I didn't have the Roomba, I would just go ahead and sweep before guests come, but the Roomba is so convenient that I literally just turn it on and it's going to do the work while I can do other tasks throughout the house. So I do go ahead and vacuum the upstairs hallway before any guests come, and I also like to vacuum the stairs. I like to have like the floors looking really good because I feel like that just sets the tone for a clean house, is when your floors are spick and span. So another thing that I do is quickly pick up anything that is visible that needs to be tidied up. So I'll fix the pillows, I'll go ahead and pick up any toys or anything that's just out of its place. So this is a little secret that I have for you guys, but if you have messy rooms and you're having company over and they're probably not going to go into your bedrooms, just go ahead and close all of the doors. So I'll only keep like the bathroom door open, and that's it. And the rest of the doors I'll go ahead and close, and it just keeps the house looking neater and just like a minimal look, and they don't see like the mess on the other side of the door. So the next thing I like to do is clean the bathroom. So this is a real quick clean. I'll just go ahead, I'll use my Clorox wipes, and I'll start cleaning the sink. I clean the toilet, and then I'll go ahead and even clean the mirrors. So I'll do this in two of our bathrooms, the downstairs bathroom and the kids' bathroom. But for the purpose of this video, I just went ahead and filmed one bathroom. So another thing I have to do religiously is make sure that the shoes are tidied up. We are really bad with walking in the door and just taking off our shoes right there at the door and not actually putting them on the shelf like we should. So I always have to make sure that this is organized before company comes over. I like to make sure that there are no dishes in the sink when I'm having guests over, so I will just throw everything in the dishwasher. I do a quick clean, but I am not going to like organize how they go in. I never put pots and pans in the dishwasher, but for when company comes over, I will literally just put everything in there, shut the door, and worry about it later. And then I'll also make sure that everything is off the counters, and that even means like dishes that were drying, my dish mat, everything. I like to have the counters clear of space when people come over. So what I like to do is make sure that my sink is also clean and dried. So if you guys haven't heard of this spray, I know I talk about it in a lot of my videos, but it's the Caldrea spray. It is a countertop spray, and this is the sea salt neroli. It is amazing. These sprays aren't meant to really like deep clean your counters or anything, but if you just kind of want to leave a good scent, a nice shine, and kind of clean your counters and your tabletop or your tops, you just go ahead and spray this, wipe it down, and it leaves an amazing scent. So I do have a link down in the description box if you want to check it out. It is one of my absolute favorites. And then right here, I'm showing you guys the little flower that Ava picked me. So last but not least is taking out the trash. So it doesn't matter if you have a little bit or a lot. The idea is just getting the trash out of the trash can. So if your guests want to throw something away, you don't have all of your stinky trash in their face. So this is just something that I do. It might be a little weird to you guys, but I really like to do this. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got a lot of tips and kind of inspiration on ideas that you can do before you actually have company come to your house. So these are just some things that I do and kind of my routine. If you guys have a similar routine or you guys do something different, let me know down below in the comments. I would love to hear kind of what your routine is, what you do differently, so we can help each other down in the comments. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.